Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Femi, and today we are going to be installing Shotcut video editor. This is not a very popular editor, but it works really well, and for beginners it's quite nice. It's okay. So the next thing we're gonna do now is to find the installer. I can't remember where I put the installer, so I'm just gonna look through it to find it. So if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you are a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. I really appreciate it. So let's get back to the video. Yeah, Shotcut. So what you're going to do now is to double click it to start up the installer. The next thing you do is to click next. You can create the desktop icon, but I don't in this case. So next you click install and you just let it go.